Now, y'all, I was craving Cajun fettuccine chicken pasta so bad. So I got my chicken breast. I'm frying it. I put my onions and my red pepper and my tomatoes in that same batch. Now I'm adding some salt. Basically, all my seasonings. Do not come for me with all my seasonings. Every seasoning I use literally contributed to the amazing taste that this pasta withheld. It was crazy. Now, the only reason why I went crazy on these Mrs. Dash is because y'all know she got no salt, so it was good. Then I'm gotta put some smoked paprika, Old Bay seasoning, Cajun, all that good stuff. Now, one thing that helps this dish a lot, in my opinion, is the cream cheese. It makes it so creamy. And don't forget your chicken stock. I don't know why, but it just gives it a really rich taste. So just trust me on that one, okay? And y'all, the texture, the creaminess is unmatched. And you gotta go with like at least 10 months aged old Parmesan. And I like to shred it. Shredding it tastes so much better, but look at my son going in and out on the camera. But this pasta is so good. If you try it, let me know, because this shit is official.